Question: how many creators does it take to change the world? We're about to find out. Hi, I'm Renee Teeley, the VP of Community here at TubeBuddy. We believe the creator community can have a tremendous impact on the world. And that's why we're excited to team up with MrBeast and Mark Rober to promote Team Seas. The mission is to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean. That is a massive goal, and we need your help. Now is your chance as a creator to get involved and be part of the largest creator-led fundraising campaign ever. The campaign starts now and it continues until midnight on January 1st, 2022. In addition to donating, you can get involved by creating content to help spread the word. So check out teamseas.org for all of the details. Now, you might be asking, why is Team Seas trying to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of trash from beaches and rivers and oceans? Here are some facts from our favorite creators about the devastating effects of ocean pollution on our world, our marine life, and us.
More than 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine animals die every year from plastic pollution. And it's said that 100% of baby sea turtles have plastics in their stomachs.
An estimated 229,000 tons of plastic is leaking into the Mediterranean Sea every year, equivalent to over 500 shipping containers each day.
Once plastic enters the ocean, it can linger there for decades, if not centuries. For example, a plastic bag from the fast food chain KFC from the 1970s was found 50 years later in the ocean. And more than 1 million plastic bags end up in the trash every minute.
Toxic ocean pollution endangers the lives of more than 3 billion people globally through contaminated seafood. While everyone is at risk, the people that are most at risk are the most vulnerable. Small fishing communities, coastal tribes, and indigenous peoples. And by doing our part to save the seas, we're helping them survive.
The quantity of waste entering the ocean is predicted to increase tenfold by 2025.
If things keep going the way they are, by 2040, there could be enough trash in the ocean to cover every coastline in the world with up to 110 pounds of plastic.
The total area of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is a collection of large areas of marine debris in the North Pacific Ocean, it is estimated that area is twice the size of Texas.
Only 1% of marine litter floats. Everything else sinks to the seafloor. Plastic has been found as far as 11 kilometers deep, contaminating the most remote places on Earth.
There are now more pieces of plastic in the ocean than there are stars in the Milky Way.
Single-use plastic items are the single biggest group of waste found on seashores. Products such as plastic cutlery, drink bottles, cigarette butts, or cotton buds make up almost half of all sea litter.
Over 705,000 tons of discarded fishing net drown mammals like seals every year in a process called ghost fishing.
Coastal pollution from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, pesticides, and sewage increases the frequency of harmful algae blooms, known as red tides, brown tides, and green tides. These blooms produce powerful toxins that accumulate in the fish and shellfish we eat. When ingested, these toxins can cause dementia, amnesia, paralysis, and even rapid death.
According to the United Nations, plastic accounts for 85% of all marine litter.
Those are some staggering facts, but by joining the Team Seas campaign, you can make a difference and help clean up our beaches and our rivers and oceans. If you've published a Team Seas video today, congratulations. You'll be inspiring your own community and helping to make an impact on an international scale. And if you haven't, don't worry, there's still time. The campaign will remain active until January 1st, 2022. So you can still create plenty of content and posts to rally your audience, to donate, and to get involved. Don't delay, start creating today.